Welcome back to the deep dive. So for today, we're doing something a little different. We found what has to be one of the most specific, unassuming pieces of tech out there. The Aurora Multimedia PS0024 VTune Pro HD 4K replacement power supply. And our mission is to see what this $99 part can tell us about the entire world of professional AV and even government contracts.
Oh, it's the perfect shortcut. You look at this listing and you think, it's just a power brick. But it's actually a masterclass in sourcing, in compliance, and what lifetime support really means in a high-stakes environment.
Okay, so let's get right into that, because the first feature they list isn't the voltage or the plug type. It's that the product is TA compliant and tariff-free.
Exactly. And that's the whole story right there. TAA is the Trade Agreements Act.
Right. That's for federal procurement.
Precisely. It dictates where a product has to be made to be sold to the U.S. government. So when the listing explicitly says government purchasing, it's telling you its most valuable feature isn't what it does.
It's where it's legally from.
Yes, that's its main selling point.
So the whole tariff-free thing, that just feeds right into that, making it a more, budget-friendly solution for these huge installations. You can just see the pressure these pro buyers are under to save every penny on compliance.
Oh, absolutely. Across hundreds or thousands of units, that adds up fast.
But then, and this is where it gets kind of wild for me, there's the support package. They're offering free lifetime telephone, chat, text, fax, and email tech support for a $99 part. How does that even make sense? Is the main VTune Pro system so profitable that this is just a loss leader to guarantee service?
Well, it connects to the bigger picture. In the professional AV world, we're talking command centers, campus-wide networks. Downtime is the absolute enemy.
So a single point of failure is a catastrophe.
A huge one. The VTune Pro system they're supporting is likely part of a critical backbone, maybe using complex stuff like AV over IP, which is just, pushing video over network cables.
So Aurora is essentially guaranteeing that their cheap, simple little part will never be the reason your $1 million system goes down.
That's the value. It's not the part, it's the promise. It reinforces their whole 25-year global home tagline. The service is the product.
Okay, that makes a ton more sense. Especially when I was looking through their other products. They're not selling consumer electronics. It's things like Reax control touch panels, beam-forming Dante mics, specialized rack mounts. This is a deep, high-end integration game.
Absolutely. And in that niche, this level of support and compliance isn't a perk. It's the cost of entry.
It's just expected.
Yeah. And even their phone number, 833-WOLFPACK. That sounds like a gimmick, but it's not. It's a signal. It's branding that says, we're a dedicated elite team for a high-stakes clientele.
Wow. So we really did it. We unpacked global trade, government contracts, and lifetime system assurance, all from the product page for one replacement power supply.
It's all in there.
This tiny component is like a legally compliant key that unlocks the entire life cycle and risk management of professional AV.
It really is. So here's the final thought I want to leave you with. If this is the level of compliance, warranty, and lifetime support required for a $99 replacement part, what does that tell you about the complexity, the cost, and the critical importance of the core VTune Pro system it's designed to power? Something to think about next time you see a piece of tech that looks, deceptively simple.